Hey, so I just want to make a video basically. Day trading, I think is a noob trap. It's for rookies who think that they can outsmart the market, right? Now, I fell into this trap because I'll show you, right? Now, I did a trade that I was exceptionally happy about. I'll show you close positions. This one here. You see, in one swift go, I made 2,200 euro, right? I was like, yeah, if I do this every day, I'm going to be rich. Now you have to understand that I sold this at 99.80. 99.80, right? So let's do the maths. Now it appears that this is a profitable trade and you're actually making money, but in reality, I actually lost money. I'll show you why. So the figure we have is that's how much money we have: 181,536. 181,536. 181,536, right? I bought them. I bought them at 98.51, right? This is my purchasing price. So if we take this, we divide by this. So I had about 183 units. Yeah, 1843 units. Well, let's just approximate it, right? There's a little bit of money left, of course, so let's just estimate it, right? So I sold it at this price here. So I sold it 98.80, right? Sell. So we take this, we multiply by number of units. That was the selling price. And the profit, which is, we'll just put it in here, profit was this, of course, minus this, right? That was the profit. Okay, so here's the problem, right? I thought to myself, yeah, man, I'm the man, right? So here is the problem. At any point in time, the stock can just explode. I'm talking about it can just skyrocket, right? You do not know when. All right. So here's the problem. At the moment, the stock is 184, right? And because I'm not holding the stock, this is we multiply by this. Take this minus this, right? So this is how much money I would have made if I were to hold on to it. If I was to hold on to it, right? So we take this, we minus this. So I already lost 2,000 euro because I did not hold on to the stock. Okay, I sold it. Now, let's look at it another thing. You see, the stock in here was the highest ever. So I thought to myself, dude, it gotta go down, right? It just has to go down. Most of the time when it reaches peaks, it usually goes down, right? If you look at the graphs, all right? It usually goes down. But here's the problem. I'll show you fundamentally what the problem is, right? These spikes in here are the problem, you see? So hypothetically, let's say you sell it in here, right? You sell it at this price here. It goes up, slightly goes down, and then just explodes, goes up, and it never goes back to this price ever again. So now because you sold, you're holding on to the money, you're losing on all of the money that's been generated in here. Now that is very expensive. That's why buy and hold is by far the better strategy, because you don't have to think about it. It grows by itself. There is no management. There are no fees because when you buy and sell, there are slight minor fees. It's so small, it's irrelevant, right? But what I'm saying is that the market, like at the moment, you know what I'm saying? You think, oh, it can go down, but it has to go down, right? It's the highest ever. In theory, it can just keep going and going and going, and then eventually, when it crashes, right? It will crash eventually, right? It actually crashes way higher than this price in here. So you will never actually have an opportunity to buy it. Do you know what I mean? Whew. Okay, I got it out now. Feel much better. Because this stock thing is very frustrating. The issue is you just cannot predict the market. It's just close to impossible to predict the market, right? If you read the book The Intelligent Investor, there were people who were basically, there was a fund set up. There were two Nobel Prize mathematicians and 300 Harvard business school graduates who were like incredibly good at analytics, right? They were just the top of the class. Harvard graduates. So we're talking about genetically two Nobel Prize mathematicians and 300 best analytics people you can get on the planet Earth. Well, from America, of course, right? And they could not predict the market. They could not do it. It's in the book. It's Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. He's the guy who taught Warren Buffett. So thinking that you can make money on day trade is a noob trap, right? I think it's a noob trap because if you look at articles in here as well, yeah, 97% lost money, right? And 1.1 earned more than earned Brazilian minimum wage, and 0.5 earned more than initial salary of a banker. I mean, banker teller. So we're talking about like it's very very difficult to make money in day trading. Very very difficult because of this BS. Do you know what I mean? Because of this BS, boom, it just just jumps, and there is nothing you can do about it, right? So we're in here. We're actually higher than this right now. But again, you see, look, you see, it went up, it went slightly down, and then just kept rising. Again, slightly down, again keeps rising. Massive jump. I'm talking about crazy jump. You do not know. You cannot predict. Impossible. Cannot predict at all. Okay, so it's just my 2 cents for you. Take care.